Good morning. In previous video, we were discussing circuit symbols. We will discuss about the cells. It is represented by this sign, and battery. This is the symbol of the battery, and bulb. This is the bulb. We can draw the another type of bulb like this. Now next is connecting wire. Connecting wire. You can represent it by a straight line. Okay, by the straight line you can represent it, these connecting wires. The connection between the two wires represented by a dot. Connecting wires are the represented straight line. Generally, connecting wires are made of the copper. The wire are used connected various electrical components in a circuit. So it is represented by a straight line. Next is switch off or switch on. Switch off position and switch on position. You represent it by like this. This is the off position. There is the gap between it. And this diagram show on position. Clear it? The switch or each switch has the 2 points. When one points are not connected, the circuit means open. If it is not connected to circuit, so it is open circuit. This position of switch is commonly called as off position. This situation is known as the off position. Second is on position. When the 2 points in the switch are connected, the circuit gets closed. The position of switch is commonly called is on position. In this position, current flows through the circuit and bulb will glow. Next is electric fuse. What is the symbol of electric fuse? You can make a circle like this. Yeah, you can make cylinder type and wire is going inside it. So these are the symbol electric fuse. Electric fuse is a thin wire of an alloy having a melting point. A fuse is always connected in the live wire. There are the two wire. One is the current wire and second is the neutral wire. So this is current wire is known as the live wire, or fuse should be attached to the live wire. A fuse of the proper rating should be used. Okay, so these are the symbols of electric circuit of the symbols. Next, we are discussing about the component of circuit. Component of circuit. A circuit mainly has the four components. One is the battery or electric cell. Electric cell. An electric cell is the source of electrical energy in a circuit. Two or more cells may be connected to form a battery. The combination of two or more cells is known as the battery. This is the cell, and if I put the symbol, this is the two battery. Second is the electric bulb. An electrical appliances that glows when electric current flows through it. When current goes inside the filament, it will glow. Next is electric switch. This is the switch. What is the function? It is the function of switch off or on of the circuit. An electric switch is used to close or break the circuit. Electric circuit flows only when the switch is on. If it is the on position, when current is flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. If circuit is closed, no current flows in this circuit. It is clear. And next one is this is known as the wire. Wire are the connecting the different components of the circuit. This is bulb, switch, and this is battery. Clear? It has main four parts: battery, wire, bulb, and switch.